There's a reason no one's talking about this. And it's not because it doesn't work, in fact. It's quietly working better than most people's 9 to 5. This side hustle isn't flashy. It doesn't involve dancing on TikTok, building a YouTube empire, or selling to your family and friends. And that's exactly why the people who've discovered it are keeping quiet. They don't want competition, they don't want saturation. And most importantly, they don't want the secret out. But today, it's time to expose what might be 2025's most underrated moneymaker. Because while the world scrolls through short videos and argues about crypto, this quiet stream of income is building wealth for those who know where to look. Ready? It's called digital licensing with AI-powered templates. Sounds boring? That's the beauty of it. Here's how it works. In 2025, businesses are craving one thing: automation. Everyone wants to save time, streamline operations, and appear more professional without hiring a team. Enter pre-built digital solutions. Plug-and-play spreadsheets, budget trackers, invoice generators, proposal templates, and even chatbot scripts, all built once then sold hundreds or thousands of times. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You can use free tools like Canva, Google Sheets, Notion, or ChatGPT to create these. Then, you license them. How simple? You upload them to marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. You list them with optimized keywords. And every time someone downloads it, you get paid. No customer service. No fulfillment. Just automatic money for a tool you created once. And here's where it gets even better: you can create bundles. Turn one template into 5, create slight variations for different industries, and build what's known as a template ecosystem, portfolio of passive income machines that keep stacking. But here's why it's really powerful. In 2025, AI just made this 10x easier. Tools like ChatGPT can help write the copy. Canva has smart design tools. Notion AI helps you generate content blocks in seconds. What used to take days now takes hours. And with platforms adding new search features, people are finding your templates even while you sleep. It's a snowball effect. More downloads, higher ranking, more visibility. More visibility, more income. And because you're licensing your product, you retain full ownership. No brand deals. No inventory. No office. This is the hustle no one sees coming until it's already working. And here's what makes it unstoppable: it's recession resistant. When the economy tightens, businesses still need to automate. They still want to look professional, they still buy tools that save time. That's why even during downturns these templates keep selling. Because they solve real ongoing problems. Need proof? Check digital marketplaces, look at the top sellers. Many are quietly earning thousands each month from one digital product. And most of them they don't promote on social media. They don't show their face, they don't even advertise. The product works for them on autopilot. So here's the opportunity. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Start by solving one small problem. Design a tool to make someone's life easier, then upload it, and let the platforms do the rest. And as the income trickles in, reinvest that time and money into more assets. More templates, more bundles, more value. Soon, you've built something bigger than a side hustle. You've built digital leverage, a machine that pays you daily, even if you're offline, even if the market's down, even if the world isn't watching. And that's why no one talks about this hustle, because it works too well, and once you're in, you'll understand why they want to keep it quiet. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.